Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a timepiece that truly makes a statement. The Invicta S1 Rally stainless steel men's automatic watch, specifically the impressive 48 model. This isn't just a watch. It's a piece of wrist architecture designed to capture attention and deliver reliable performance. From the moment one lays eyes on the S1 Rally, its commanding presence is undeniable. The substantial 48 stainless steel case immediately conveys a sense of robust durability and masculine elegance. It's a watch built for those who appreciate a significant feel on their wrist, a timepiece that doesn't shy away from being noticed. The polished and brushed finishes on the stainless steel work in harmony, catching the light beautifully and highlighting the intricate lines of its design. The dial, often the heart of a watch's aesthetic appeal, on the S1 Rally is a masterclass in sporty sophistication. While specific details can vary by model, the S1 Rally series typically features a dynamic, often racing-inspired layout. One might find intricate subdials, bold hour markers, and luminous hands that ensure excellent readability in various lighting conditions. The attention to detail here is evident, creating a visually engaging experience that invites closer inspection. It's a dial that speaks to speed, precision, and a love for the open road, perfectly aligning with its Rally designation. Powering this impressive machine is an automatic movement. For those unfamiliar, an automatic watch is a marvel of microengineering, relying on the natural motion of the wearer's wrist to wind itself. This means no batteries to replace, just the continuous, smooth sweep of the second hand, a hallmark of traditional watchmaking. It's a feature that adds a layer of authenticity and appreciation for mechanical craftsmanship, connecting the wearer to centuries of horological tradition. The reliability and enduring appeal of an automatic movement are significant draws for many watch enthusiasts. The 48 case size, while substantial, is surprisingly comfortable for many, especially those with larger wrists or individuals who prefer a watch with real heft. It sits confidently on the wrist, making its presence known without being cumbersome. The overall construction speaks to Invicta's commitment to delivering bold designs with solid build quality at an accessible price point. This watch isn't just about telling time, it's about expressing a personal style, a preference for the robust and the refined. In conclusion, the Invicta S1 Rally stainless steel men's automatic watch in its 48 iteration is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a powerful, stylish, and mechanically driven timepiece. It offers a blend of sporty aesthetics, durable construction, and the timeless appeal of an automatic movement, all wrapped in a package that demands attention. It's a watch that truly embodies the spirit of adventure and precision, making it a standout piece in any collection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.